Hello everyone, my name is Vienka Rahmannillah and I will show you how to make a cup of coffee. I think everyone knows that make a cup of coffee is something easy or a simple thing, but of course the dust used must be in accordance with our style, right? So first of all, we have to prepare the materials, which is 1 sachet of instant coffee or 2 tablespoons of a ground coffee, right? But here I will only use a sachet instant coffee, okay? And then prepare the 3 tablespoons of a sugar, but it can be adjusted with our style because I don't really like a bitter coffee, so I decided to put a lot of sugar in my coffee, okay? And then don't forget, prepare warm water, and then prepare 1 tablespoon of for a stir coffee, and then prepare the cup or glass. So let's get started to make a cup of coffee. Here's how to make a cup of coffee. First, put a coffee into a cup. Second, put 3 tablespoons of sugar into a cup that has been filled with a coffee. 1, 2, and 3. Third, pour enough warm water into a cup that has been filled with a coffee and a sugar. Okay. Fourth, stir the coffee with a spoon that we have been prepared before, okay? Okay. And lastly, taste the coffee to make sure taste. And if there is enough, the coffee has been made and ready to drink. So that's the procedure to make a cup of coffee. It's simple thing, right everyone? Let's try this at home. So thanks for your attention everyone. Stay healthy and stay happy. See you, bye bye.